really happy with the performance again. I think obviously we were disappointed in the result against Connaskey 4 weeks ago. I thought we played reasonably well. I thought we were very good against Barri, very good against Colin Bay, and very good again tonight. Only scoring one is disappointing. More so the first half, we've created numerous opportunities and gotten some great positions, played some great football, great link-up play, and it should have been 2 or 3 up at half-time.
Owen, 1-0 victory, your assessment of the game?
Yeah, we were really dominant throughout, I thought. We limited them to very little. Probably should have put away a chance early on in the game and probably would have killed it a bit more, and you're not kind of as nervous at the end. And probably myself, I should have scored my one down the end there. But no, overall, just really dominant, and it's a good win.
A little bit of frustration, a little bit, because I felt we played well. I thought we caused them some problems. Probably didn't create enough in terms of some of the situations that we had. But overall, I'm pleased but frustrated, which is a good sign, because as we know, it's a difficult place to come.
You freshened the squad up this season.
Yeah.
Many played today and showed really, really well. Are you looking to freshen the squad again?
Ideally, yeah. Ideally, we'd like to always try and strengthen. To give the lads a help out who are there. We've obviously, it looks like we're going to lose Josh Daniels. We've obviously lost Ryan Astles. So there's going to be. There's been injuries as well. Danny Redmond's been a long one. Ben Clark's been out for a few weeks. So Adam Wilson's just come back now. Lou Phillips has been injured as well. So we've had our fair share of injuries this season. But the other lads have been fantastic. So it's positive. One door closes for one player, unfortunately, with an injury, and then another one opens for opportunity for someone else. And lads have taken it, and it makes the strength of the squad and the strength of the group and the training group raise the standards a little bit more. And I must admit, training over the last 10 days has been very good.
Really enjoying myself since I've signed now. The lads are great. It's my first time in full-time football, so yeah, I'm just really excited to kick on now and just keep going. Long way to go.
And on top of everything, you lost your captain,
yeah.
And it doesn't look good.
Well, I'm trying to remain positive. Obviously, we're getting scanned as quick as we can to know exactly what's happened. So yeah, I've got my fingers crossed that it's hopefully not as bad as what it could possibly be.
We said before the game today, our aim, without a shadow of a doubt, is to go and win 11 games. That's what we've got left. We've got 10 now, 1 cup final, and in 9 league games. We've done it on numerous occasions, so it's really important from a group point of view. From the players that start, from the players that don't start, from the coaches, from the staff, from everyone involved at the football club. That starts on a Monday morning when we're coming to train, finishes the working week on a Friday, and then we'll start real business on a Saturday or Friday whenever we play, and that's the standards we need to keep.
We just want to try and finish as high as we can. All right, so whether that's 4th, 5th, that's our aim.